Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Rheinmetall begins construction of new workshop and warehouse in Switzerland to support operations and regional growth. Rheinmetall has started construction of a new workshop and warehouse facility in Studen, Switzerland, through its subsidiary Rheinmetall Air Defense. The groundbreaking ceremony was attended by company representatives, local councillors and the construction management team. The new facility is scheduled to be completed by the end of 2026 and forms part of the company's broader growth strategy. Rheinmetall said the project will support operational efficiency while contributing to regional economic activity. The construction will involve close cooperation with local companies during both planning and building phases. This approach is intended to strengthen the regional economy and support local industry. The facility will be located near the test center Achsenboden, operated by Rheinmetall Weapon Munition AG Switzerland. Its proximity is expected to enable more efficient use of existing infrastructure and create operational synergies. Once completed, the new hall will serve as a central hub for acceptance and dispatch processes. It will support activities including system acceptance procedures, repairs, finishing, packaging and logistics operations. The project is designed to consolidate previously decentralized processes into a single location. Rheinmetall said this will improve long-term efficiency across its operations in Switzerland. The development is also expected to create up to 30 new jobs, with recruitment taking place gradually. Around 8 employees will be based permanently at the site. Rheinmetall said the investment reflects its commitment to Switzerland as a strategic industrial location. The company added that the project will support its competitiveness in advanced defense technologies over the long term. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.